Hi, my name is Selma. Today I'm going to be showing you my paper airplane. And this is my paper airplane, as you can see. And then after I'm done flying it, I am going to measure how far it went. Okay, now I'm going to measure it. Okay. So, my paper airplane went 14 feet. So, that's it.
I'm going to show you how far my paper airplane flies. It flew about 48 inches.
It flew 9 feet. Hello, this is my science project. I'm going to show my paper airplane, and I've already marked the road with the correct measurements. So as it turns out, my paper airplane has landed about 36 feet.
Hi. So right now we are going to do the paper airplane measurement test. So that is 10 feet and 10 inches. 10 feet, 10 foot, 10 inches. So that was me trying to do the paper airplane measurement test. Bye.
Hi, I'm Alexa Flaherty, and I'm going to be flying my paper airplane across the hall and then measuring how much inches it is. Let me fly it. Okay, now I'm going to measure it from here. It was 76 inches. Hi, this is Isabel Foley, and I'm going to be throwing my airplane. It's stuck. It was like 234 feet.
Inches.
Inches. Hey guys, today I will be throwing my paper airplane. The measure is 37 feet.
Hello, my name is Nicholas Franco Gomez, and I'm going to show you how far my plane will travel. From where I was to my plane traveled 177 inches. Bye.
Hi, I'm going to do my science experiment with a paper airplane. I'm going to have to throw it and measure how far it goes. Okay. I'm going to check. That won't work. Wait 1 second. Measure that. See how far that goes. It went about 252 inches. Now so the final measurement is 252 inches. Now that's my science project. Thank you.
Okay, so I have to launch my paper airplane. I just launched it actually, but I couldn't figure out how to measure it because I'm not good at measuring things. So, yeah, this is my paper airplane. It's super cool, and now I have to throw it. I'm gonna throw it in the grass, so it'll probably like stick into the grass. Oh, it didn't even stick into the grass. That's great. Okay, now can you see the paper airplane? I don't know if you can see the paper airplane. Hold on. Oh, yeah, it's right there. Okay. Now I'm gonna go measure it. I have to walk on it because I'm bad at measuring. So that's what I had to do last time, but I couldn't figure it out. So now we're gonna try again. I'm just gonna pull it all the way out and then I'm gonna lock it because I'm so smart. I'm bad at measuring things. Why is it not straight? Wait, that's the problem. Go over there. Yes. So smart. Oh, but now I have to pull it out more, so now I have to unlock it to. I'm bad at measuring things. Oh no. My tape measure might not be long enough. Uh-oh. Okay, I think it might be like just long enough. Oh, it's more than, it's a little long enough. Okay. So, my feet have mulch on them. Dang it. So, my paper airplane flew 14 feet exactly. And I'm very surprised because I thought my paper airplane would go like 2 inches. And it went 14 feet. So I'm very happy. I'm Julia Gathard, and I'm going to show you how far my airplane can go. 38 inches. 38 feet.
Hello, everyone. Happy National Airplane Day. Today, our assignment was to build a paper airplane, fly it, and then measure the distance that it has flown. So let's get into this. This is my airplane, and now I will fly it. So I released it, and this is how far it went. It is right over there. So now let's measure it. my paper airplane has gone 6 feet and 11 inches. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you have an awesome day.
Hello, my name is James Gage, and today I would like to be sharing an experiment I will do by seeing how far this paper airplane can fly. So from where I started, my plane traveled about 65 inches. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Christina Handress, and this is my paper airplane project. So, first I'm going to fly it across my office room, and here we go. Okay, so now I'm going to measure it from where I was sitting. 1 foot, 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet, 7. Okay, so my paper airplane flew 7 feet and 5 inches away from me. Bye.
Hello, my name is Grant Imbo, and today I'll be throwing my paper airplane. It went 19 and a half feet.
Hi, my name is Danielle, and today I'm going to be showing you my paper airplane. "261 inches. Wow.
So, me throwing this airplane. Sorry if I'm sniffing a little bit. It's my allergies, but let's go. It landed like pretty deep. That's the airplane. Right, that white thing. I think that one I don't know. I'll put it on the cover of this, but bye.
My name is Sebastian Massey, and today I'll be showing you how my paper airplane flies. So it flies like that, and this is how it can measure. It is about 9 feet.
Hi, my name is Sean McDowell, and I'll be showing you how far my airplane can fly. Go.
Sorry, I don't get your video. Oh, wait.
More than 25 feet.
Well, why don't you put it down, have Jay measure, and then you walk to where Jay is. So you've got 25.
Bend down.
Now go. Sean, you walk towards him, and then, no. Okay, I'm not sure about that measuring.
35 feet.
How many squares were there? Was it 10? Okay, 35 feet.
Hello. I'm gonna be throwing my paper my paper airplane. It is. Okay. So I'm gonna stay right here. I'm gonna be right back. Well, and I'm going to mark where I'm standing with a cup. I'll be right back to see how much it is. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, you can't really see. Okay, so here's the cup, and we're going to measure. 1 foot, 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet. It is. It went, well, you can't see my face, 6 feet and 2 inches. I'm going to show you my plane again. Ta-da! It's a very beautiful model. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Nick Meyer, and I'm going to show you how far my airplane goes. Where'd it go? It's right here. Yeah. There we go. This may be very, very bad. Okay, that was really bad. But still, it's okay. I'm right here. It's about 83 inches. Well, that's how far my paper plane went. Bye.
My name is Joseph Manas, and I will be doing my paper airplane project today.
Come behind me.
My paper airplane flew 46 inches.
Hi, my name is Lily O'Block. I will be testing how far this paper airplane I made can fly. Okay, now I will measure it. I just measured how far my airplane flew, and it flew 178 inches. I hope to do another Flipgrid video like this. Bye for now.
Okay, so I'm gonna throw my paper airplane now from my marked spot. So I marked it with a piece of tape all the way down here. And I'm just gonna throw it. Okay then. So I'm gonna come back once I have measured it. Okay, so in total, this paper airplane right here went 192 inches. I think that's very, very far, and I think I made a very good paper airplane. It took up my whole entire tape measure, and yeah. So, paper airplane.
Hello, my name is Isabella Palomares, and this is my paper airplane, and I will be launching it to measure how far it can go. Okay, so it went 17 feet, and that is equal to 204 inches. So in total, my paper airplane went 204 inches.
Hi, so I'm going to be throwing my paper airplane and seeing how far it goes and then measuring it. So right over here is the marking spot where I'm going to stand to throw it. And I'm just going to throw it straight. And that mirror right there is going to hold down the end if it goes too far. But let's throw it. So I'm going to go right here, right where it's marked. Grab my paper airplane. And then I'm going to throw it. I'm going to need it. So I'm going to get my mirror. We're going to put this down. And I'm just going to stretch it. I'm going to go straight. And then I'm going to slide this over. Good. And it is 7 feet exactly. 7 feet long. Surprisingly, it's exact 7 feet here. But yeah, so my airplane went 7 feet.
Hey guys, it's Ari, and I'm gonna do my paper airplane. Okay.
Want to do it, friend?
That reached. Let's lock it in place there. Okay. That went 22 feet. I threw that 22 feet. 22 feet. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Bye.
Hi, I'm Mary Simon, and today I'm going to fly my paper airplane over there, and we're going to measure how far it goes. So let's get started. I am going to stand up, and I'm going to throw it. Okay. Went over there, so we're going to measure it now with measuring tape. Okay. I'm going to do it from this chair here. And I'm going to measure. Oh, it's going to fall. Yep, it fell. Okay, let's try a different spot. Okay. And hit it. That hit 198, and this fell. Sorry about that. Loud noises. But this flew 198 inches in the air. It's pretty good. Well, that's it. Bye.
Hi, I'm Natalie Winship, and I will be flying my paper airplane. Okay, so I'm going to throw it. Well, that didn't go very far. Okay, now I'm going to measure it. Wait, how's this doing? is not as easy as it looks. There we go. Where'd it go? It is 67 inches.